Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. So I have found out that Vechain's swap exchange is actually going to upgrade to version 2 soon. This is separate from the whole Uniswap deal. And I'm not really sure what the point of Uniswap is going to be on this because Vexchange 2 is coming unless Uniswap converts the ERC20 stuff, which would actually be really, really awesome for all VET investors. So Vexchange is 2 is going to have its own oracles, more pairs, and swap mechanics that could really, really start VET on DeFi. Yes, a lot of swap mechanics that could really actually start VeChain on DeFi. So that's really cool because DeFi has been known to pump many, many coins. And once they actually have news that DeFi is actually on board on a certain chain, they'll actually pump, the coin will pump, 20, 30, even 100%. Don't really know how much that's going to be true for VeChain. I don't exactly know when V2 is going to come, but like the managers of Vexchange are hoping that the managers of VeChain Exchange are actually hoping that DeFi will actually come to VeChain and become a valid ecosystem after this is gotten underway. It will also make swapping things easier. I think like trying to build out the DeFi will actually increase liquidity as well. Like there's assets on VeChain right now, like OceanX is probably the biggest one, Safe Haven with their Inherity. Player died pretty much. Well, Player is actually switching into DeFi, and if you have Player tokens, this is honestly the one thing that you could kind of like sort of aim for, having these Player tokens. And also, obviously you have Safe Haven, which I just talked about, and also Mustang, Decent.bet. So there's probably going to be a lot of projects, also like Hackin.ai, that you can actually have a lot more liquidity for, and I think that'll actually help the price of these projects as well. So having this V2 exchange, having DeFi come onto VeChain will also help all the projects that are actually currently on VeChain as well, which makes the VET ecosystem much more lucrative to actually invest into. So got to look into that. I'm really hoping that this happens, despite the fact that like I lost the VET because of the whole scam thing. I'm still hoping that the company does really well, and that realistically it can like double, triple, quadruple, 10x, 20x from where it is now. Because like I know a lot of you have been watching me for a very, very long time. A lot of you have a lot of VeChain, and that would actually definitely fit into like the overall investment plan. I had imagined VeChain getting to 50 cents, and I think DeFi could get it to 50 cents, if not more, by the end of this year if Vexchange 2.0 comes on. Also, like with Vexchange 2.0, I do think there's more of a chance for Uniswap to be the ERC20 converter, which would be much, much bigger for VET. So that's really cool. I think it's probably going to come in the next 2 months. There'll be a big announcement when it comes, and maybe VeChain will actually go up a lot when it actually comes. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.